Every day, I wake up early in the morning. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 a.m. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and slowly get out of bed. First, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes like jeans and a t-shirt. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. I like to eat toast with butter and drink a glass of milk. Sometimes, I eat cereal or eggs instead. Breakfast is very important because it gives me energy for the day. At 7:30 a.m., I leave the house. I either walk or take the bus to work. If the weather is nice, I enjoy walking. On rainy days, I prefer the bus. While traveling, I like to listen to music or read a book. When I arrive at work, I greet my coworkers. We all sit at our desks and start working. I check my emails first and make a to-do list for the day. Then I focus on my tasks. I usually have meetings, write reports, and talk with clients. Work can be busy, but I enjoy learning new things. At noon, I take a lunch break. I usually eat with my friends at a nearby cafe. We talk, laugh, and share stories. Lunch is a good time to relax before going back to work. After lunch, I return to my desk and continue working until 5 p.m. When the workday is over, I feel happy and proud of what I have done. Sometimes, I stay a little longer if I have extra tasks to finish. In the evening, I go home. I often stop by a supermarket to buy groceries. After I reach home, I change into comfortable clothes and rest for a few minutes. Then I cook dinner. I like making simple meals like pasta, rice with vegetables, or grilled chicken. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen and wash the dishes. Then I have free time. I sometimes watch TV, read a book, or call my family and friends. On some days, I go to the gym for a short workout. Exercising helps me feel healthy and strong. Before going to bed, I take a shower and prepare my clothes for the next day. I also check my schedule to see if there are any important tasks or meetings. Then I relax in bed. I often read a few pages of a book before turning off the lights. At around 10:30 p.m., I go to sleep. I feel tired but happy. Every day is a little different time, and do my best. This is my simple day. It is full of small activities that help me grow, learn, and stay healthy.